Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Tija. Every week, I drop videos here on how to visualize your data using either SQL, Power BI, or Excel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to visualize your data using the shape map feature in Power BI. This time around, you're going to visualize a custom map. Yeah, the last video I did was how to visualize your data, only focusing on the US map. But in today's video, I'm going to show you how to visualize your data using a custom map in case it's still right. Visualize the data for Nigeria, for only sales in Nigeria. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Before we go to the today's video, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, drop a comment, click on like, and share the link with your friends. So let's go to today's video. So you go to your visuals, click on this to have it here. You expand it. So let's bring it somewhere here. Let's bring it somewhere there. The next thing we are going to add state. Since we are visualizing data for only Nigeria, we're not going to add country, we're going to add state, city. So let's go to state. So you click on the state, click on it, you come to data category, click on the drop down and change it to city or province. City or province, you got that. So you drag it to where you have location. We have location over here. We have it. So you can see the map is showing us US map, but you don't want the US map. You want map for only Nigeria, not the US map. So you come to visualize. You come to format your visuals. Click on it. Click on map settings. Click on the drop down. Click on custom map. Right, custom map. Click on it. Like we say, add a map type. So you click on browse to have it here. So I have mine here. So this is a JSON file, right? So for you to have a JSON file, you need to know how to use Python, or you can have someone that knows how to use Python to help you do that. So I'm going to drop this JSON file in the description below where you can download it for the state in Nigeria and for the whole world, which is countries. So I'm going to drop that in the description. So you click on OK. So we have it here. So we have it here. So this is Nigerian map. So we go back again, come back here. So color saturation, we're going to fill it with sales. So we want to see which state generating most sales for us as our company. So color saturation, we bring in sales, bring in sales over there. So we come back to format your visuals. So let's do some formatting. So if you can see here, these are blank. So this state doesn't have any sales, like Taraba, no sales in Taraba State. In Kebbi State, no sales. In Jigawa State, no sales, and so on. So where we have our highest sales is Lagos. You can see here Lagos, $42,000 sales. Then we have Kaduna, we have Kano, and we have Enugu State. So let's do some formatting. You come down to fill with colors. In case you don't like this blue color, want to change it to the color of your choice, you click on this drop down. So let's go with this. Let's go with this. You can pick any color of your choice, any color around here, or you click on more colors and pick any color of your choice. So we go with this. Let's go with this. So we have it there, Lagos State. So the minimum sale should be this. You don't want yours to be white, so you can quickly click on this. So we have that there. We have that there. So you move on to the next one. The next one, which is blank. Well, like I said earlier, so this is your blank. This brown color is your blank area. You don't have any sales. If you want to change the color to black, you can come quickly click on it, change it to black. So stay with no sales is black. You can identify them with a black color. So if you don't need this black area, you can toggle this off. You don't need to toggle it off. So we have that there. So move to the next one, which is border. So you want to change the color of your border. You click on this drop down, change it to black. The border is in black. So you change the width to 3. I like mine to be in 3. You can keep yours in 2. So that is it. So let's go ahead with our formatting. So let's assume you want it, the currency should be in naira and not in dollar. But we can see it's currently in dollar. So let's assume you want to show it in naira and not in dollar. So you come to general. First of all, let's turn off the background. Turn this off. It's a format, sum of sales. So you can click on down, click it to sum of, change it to sum of sales. If yours is in state, click on it, change it to sum of sales. So you go to format, you say currency. So currency format. So let's scroll down to Nigeria. For example, you want the currency to be naira. So you put that to, we have Nigeria. We have a Yoruba Nigeria. So you click on it. So we have the naira. So we have it here. It's in naira. So we don't want decimal. So you click down, decrease decimal. I've decreased our decimal. We don't have decimal. So we can see Lagos is the highest with $42,000 sales, 42,000 plus dollar sales. Sorry, naira sales. So we close it. So this is the simplest way on how to visualize your map chart, a custom map chart. In case you are told, okay, show me data for Nigeria, this is how to do that. So this is how to do that. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to do it for the whole world, right? So this one is only for Nigeria. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to do that for the whole world. So you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly click on the subscribe button, hit on like, share the link with your friends, and drop a comment. So stick around. I'll see you in the next video.